The traditional towel you will pick up at your local department store is likely a cotton terry weave. Terry refers to the loop structure in the towel. It's a cotton material and it is designed to suck in moisture and feel plush on your skin. But we all know that over time, thick absorbent terry towels become not so. And they actually have two key issues. First, they smell, and second, they feel scratchy. These are both solvable problems. As long as we know what we're dealing with, we have a solution. So now I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can get your towels smelling and feeling great. And hey, before we get into this video, I just want to let you know that the annual Makers Clean Summer Sale is on. The entire store is on sale at varying price points up to 40% off. So you can click the link in the description box below and shop your microfiber loving heart out. The reason why terry towels get smelly is because generally towels are made from cotton, and cotton is a natural fiber, meaning that it is bacteria prone. Bacteria causes odors. If there is a moist environment like a bathroom after a shower and a towel is not 101% dry, bacteria is going to start to grow, your towels are going to start to get funky. That means when you hop out of the shower, you want to make sure your overhead exhaust fan is on and that your towel is hung to dry and fully stretched out. If you don't have a towel bar, if you are just relying upon a hook is not good enough. Air is not going to circulate and reach the towel the way it needs to. Use your towel bar or some other structure that can help to dry the towel quickly. Then you can place it on the hook. Another tricky situation is taking your towels out of the dryer at the right time. Because if your towels aren't dry enough, they are going to be folded up, put into your linen closet, and they will start to get musty or stinky. So the issue is sometimes you can take a towel out and it feels dry, but it is still retaining moisture. And that's because towels are so thick and absorbent, they can be quite tricky. And if you want a little tip or a way to figure out if your towels are fully dry, you can actually hold them up to your mouth and suck in quickly. I know it sounds strange, but it works. You'll be able to detect whether there's moisture there or not. You want your towels bone dry out of the dryer, and if they're not, they're gonna smell. If you line dry your towels, whether outdoors or indoors, you might notice that they come out looking a little flat and they don't feel soft and fluffy. Rather, they're a little bit scratchy and uncomfortable. What you can do is take your towel fibers, this takes a little bit of extra work, but it does make a difference, and just quickly rub them together to kind of fluff the mat up again. Or you can get yourself a soft bristle brush and just give it a quick sweep. If you have a steamer can work too. Giving a couple quick passes over the towel to kind of fluff up the nap is a great option as well. If you think about a towel, it's unlike any other item you're putting into the washing machine. It is thick, it's heavy, and it's large. And it is designed to absorb. So what's going to happen when it goes into your washing machine? It's going to absorb all the water and all the detergent and all the fabric softener if that's what you're putting in as well. Towels actually don't need a lot to get clean. And what happens is you kind of get into this cycle where you think, oh, my towels are smelly, I'll add more detergent to get out the smell. That's actually the wrong thing to do, and you are just going down the wrong path. So what you need to do instead is make sure that you are always properly dosing the amount of detergent for your load and that you're not overfilling your load, because if you're putting too many towels in the machine, especially if it's a high efficiency machine, the machine is not going to be able to spin and get the small amount of water that it is designed to use efficiently distributed among all of the items in the washing machine. And we just have to have a conversation about fabric softener. You've probably never seen me talk about fabric softener because I just don't believe in it. And what I find frustrating is when I see commercials of towels stacked up, one set beside the other, and they're like, this one uses fabric softener, this one doesn't. I don't buy it for 1 second. Towels are actually so absorbent that fabric softener, which is a waxy coating to condition your fabrics, loosen their fibers, and make them feel softer, actually gets absorbed right into the towel. So when you watch TikTok videos of people fabric stripping or laundry stripping rather, what they're getting rid of is all of that built up detergent and fabric softener. Fabric softener is doing you no favors. If you actually want to have soft, fluffy towels, use vinegar instead of fabric softener and make sure that you're using dryer balls. What you're gonna do first to release some of that detergent buildup over time is you're going to do a hot vinegar cycle. Now, you don't have to go to the extreme and do laundry stripping. I've never done it because I don't have time for it. I don't wanna do it, and I can get the same thing done in my washing machine. So what you'll do is you'll add, depending on how many towels you're gonna do at a time, 1 to 2 cups of plain white vinegar. Inexpensive and easy. You're not putting any detergent in there, rather you're just using vinegar. Then you're gonna run your cycle through on the hottest possible setting your machine has. When that is done, you're gonna finish it up by doing the exact same thing, but this time, you're gonna use a cup of baking soda. Now, what vinegar can do is break down some of the detergent and the soap that's stuck in there, and baking soda is gonna help to freshen things up and deodorize. So at the end, you'll put your towels into the dryer and they should come out fluffy and smelling clean. Now, if your towels are in really bad shape, you might have to do this again, but once you've done that, you've essentially hit the reset button and your towels are gonna be in much better condition. Also keep in mind that towels do have a lifespan. So at about 7 to 10 years, you might want to consider taking your used towels to a pet shelter who absolutely love receiving them and treating yourself to a new set. Now you might be asking yourself, if everyone knows how prevalent these terry towel issues are, why hasn't a better solution surfaced? And I'm here to tell you that actually it has. There is a better solution. It's the same reason why people aren't working out in thick, heavy cotton t-shirts and sweatpants anymore. They're wearing technical fibers that wick moisture. The answer is microfiber, and I'm gonna tell you why. Microfiber is designed differently than terry for several reasons. First of all, it's not a natural fiber like cotton, so it won't harbor bacteria, meaning microfiber towels don't actually smell. And if you look at the actual weave, a microfiber towel like this one, this is a Maker's microfiber towel, is a waffle weave, which is designed to efficiently absorb moisture and release it quickly, meaning that it dries you quickly and then it dries itself quickly, unlike terry, which is very thick and absorbent and takes a long time to dry. We have these towels in our home, of course, because they're our brand of towels, and anytime someone uses them, whether after they're drying their hands or if they're swimming in our pool, they swear that this is superior. And if you think that microfiber feels uncomfortable on the skin, you just haven't tried a microfiber towel yet, because they don't feel like a microfiber cleaning cloth. They actually feel quite soft and smooth. They're just heavy enough to feel luxurious, but they're not too heavy that they take too long to dry. Anyway, they're on sale right now on our website, so I've got a link for you down below. Go check it out. So now you know everything you need to know about having clean, fresh smelling towels for life. And my hope and intention for you that I'm putting out into the universe is that you never encounter a smelly towel again. You're welcome. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which I know is a hotly debated topic among friends, family, and household members. How often should you be changing your bathroom towels? What do you think, and what do you do? Let me know in the comments down below. In the Maker Reynolds household, we change our towels about 2 times a week. I think after 3 or 4 uses, it can go to the wash, but we take pretty good care of our towels and we feel pretty confident about that. I remember reading a Martha Stewart article one time saying that she changed her towels every day. And I guess that's fine if you have a staff of like 25 people at your home. But for the average person, I don't know, I'd love to hear what you do, so let me know down below. If you're not dosing your laundry detergent properly, it probably means that your washing machine could use a good cleaning, so here's a video teaching you just how to do that. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to the Clean My Space channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.